Goodyear's aging world headquarters has been transformed. The beloved Akron, Ohio campus has been reimagined, and the East End project is flourishing. A nationally recognized development, its live, work, play community features award-winning apartments, state-of-the-art offices, and national retailers. The East End is drawing attention from major companies and national media outlets for its vibrant culture, preservation efforts, and unique amenities. Recently, 2 major companies announced they would move to the campus, bringing over 1,000 employees. With more and more people flocking to the East End and increased demand for housing options, developers see a clear opportunity to provide additional living options on site. Upon completion, the project's first phase of apartments quickly became fully leased with a wait list. The next phase will likely experience similar activity. With 66 high-end 1- and 2-bedroom options, the Lofts will feature bright, airy rooms with exposed brick. The space will marry industrial and modern elements with a luxurious lobby and common spaces. Residents will have access to building amenities, including a brand new fitness center and golf simulator. Reimagine city living when the Lofts joins the East End in 2021.